Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to connect Kali Linux to a network. Okay. First of all, you're gonna check your configuration file. Okay. With this command. Okay. As you can see, this is our configuration file. Our current network, our current address. You can see. Here's our current address. Okay. Now we're gonna open our network bash file using this command. So this is our current file. Okay. Now we're gonna add something inside this file according to the command prompt from Windows. Now we're gonna check Windows current address. We're using this command.
Gimana sih fokus?
Okay, this is LAN or the router for the Wi-Fi. The current address, as you can see, 192.168.43.66. Okay. Now we're gonna add it into the bash file. Now the address, we're gonna copy it from here, the IPv4 address. And the last digit, you need to change it. You only need to +1. For example, if there is 66, if here is 66, then you're gonna change it to 67 in here. And now for the net mask. Also from here, as you can see, the subnet mask. Just copy it here. And now for the gateway. It's also the same. Just copy it from here, from the Windows command prompt. And now for the last one, for the DNS name server. Now you're gonna set it at 0.8.8.8, then at 0.8.4.4. Now you're gonna save the file, Control X, then Y, then enter. Now we're gonna check for the connection. As you can see, it's connected now. Now, how about connected? It's connected to the IPv4 for the Windows. Now we're gonna check if it's really connected to the internet now. For example, I'm gonna check for google.com. Then you can see it's connected to the internet now. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you very much.
Bye bye.